Alright, so as you can see, this is error 85. Well, I wouldn't call it an error per se, but it's an indication of something. And when you check the manual, okay, the manual tells you that the maximum battery voltage has been reached for the battery that you have the setting on. Okay, so for example, this thing is lithium battery. All right, this is lithium battery. Okay, so it's what is powering this guy. So and you know the maximum for this guy is 57.6 volts. All right, so you know this is a smart inverter. All right, and you know lithium battery doesn't do trickle charging. Once the battery is fully charged, it stops charging. It doesn't do all those trickle charging stuff like lead acid battery, tubular battery, or sealed battery. Okay, this guy, once he's at 100%, it stops charging completely. All right, it doesn't continue charging, because if it does, it will damage it. So once its charging is 95%, it stops charging. 100, it stops. 95, it slows down. 100, it stops charging completely. Stops charging. So this this thing is actually good for this guy. All right, because once it gets to that 57.6 volts for this guy, for this lithium battery, it cuts off charging completely. That's why it's showing 85. That means charging has stopped. It has stopped charging, taking any charge from the solar, and the battery is discharging right now. Is supplying the load. So what it does is that once the battery drops to a certain level, then it continues charging. All right, so that's it for this error 85. If you see it, it's nothing to worry about per se. It just stops charging so that it doesn't damage the lithium battery. So that's it for this 85. Once the battery drops to a lower level, it goes off, so nothing to worry about. Yeah.